Hey, it's Frank here with 4D Honeybee, and I'm just going to do a quick video here on May, I think the 9th or so. May the 9th, maybe? Within a day or two. I'm just going to show you the kind of damage that bears will do to your hives. I imagine you can all imagine what it's like, but I'm just at the rebuilding phase, cleanup phase of the damage to my hives from a brown bear attack. I've been here 5 years, and the bears never found it. There were never bears this far south, but he found it and he ate it. So all the bees are gone, all the bees are dead, and I got some cleaning up and some rebuilding to do. Thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee. So I decided to start with the wide shot so that you can see the sort of totality of the damage. And now I'll walk in. So I had two hives here that didn't have any bees in it and didn't have any honey in them. So you can see the bear just probably toppled them over to check them out, have a good sniff. But he didn't actually rip any of the frames out or pull anything out. This hive here this was my alive hive, was being the operative word, and you can see what the bear did. Not only did he topple them over, but he actually stood on and crushed all the boxes, and then just had a happy hour with the frames. I'll get out of the sun so you can see that. And you can see there still is some honey in there, so I'm going to have to clean this up or else this bear's coming back. So I'll clean that up now and start to rebuild. I have no shortage of equipment, that's not the issue. It's just the bees that I have to get. I plan to buy a couple of nukes and start the whole process all over. Let's see, even went for a picnic over here, about 5 yards away. And there's where he digested some of them. From that size, it's a medium-sized bear. I've got some footage of the bear. It's a medium young bear, but it is causing an issue here. The property owner spotted him coming back from this area, so he chased him away, and he gave me a call right away and said that he was pretty sure my hives were toast, and he was right. Take a look at that damage. So the question is, once the bear knows it's here, he's going to come back. I don't think I can afford an electric fence right now. So the question is, what do I do? I think I'm leaning towards, because the property owner's onto the bear now and he's going to try and get rid of it. I'm not going to be getting bees for the next 3-4 weeks. I think I'll probably set some trail cameras up and see if I can spot if the bear is coming back. I think he is, because there's more damage to these hives than when I was here 2 days ago. So I think he's been back. So I might just grab a camera today and put it on here and see if he's coming back and when he's coming back, and then make a plan, because there's no point in setting up new beehives and just having the bear take them. So it's going to be an interesting year, an interesting 2020. 2019 was pretty interesting for different reasons, but I'm determined to have bees and to keep them healthy throughout the year. So stay with me, stay tuned, and remember, I'm giving away a beehive. So if you missed the last video, I'm giving away a beehive because I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers, and I'm really grateful for all the support and all the opinions that I get on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, click subscribe, because it'll be a subscriber that wins the hive somewhere in southern Ontario. I don't want to ship it. So it's one complete base bottom board, removable bottom board, one deep box, 10 deep frames, internal lid, and an external telescoping lid. So all in pine, all unfinished, no bees, just the hive. But it's a good way for someone that has bees already to expand, maybe do a split for the summer and fall. So I don't want to give it away to someone that doesn't have bees yet, because it'll just be put on Kijiji or sold at the local pawn shop, and I don't want that to happen. So anyway, stay with me and we'll see how this year goes, and hopefully you win a beehive at 4D Honeybee.